Central Park is located in the borough of New York, known as Manhattan, between 5th and 8th Avenues from 59th to 110th Street. In the 1800s, Manhattan owned 843 acres of swampy, jagged, rocky terrain. Spanning a 6-mile perimeter, half a mile east to west and 2.5 miles north to south, designers Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Bow chose to construct a park on this terrain because it was unsuitable for commercial building. The designers sought to convert this land into a park and referred to their design of the park as the Greensboro Plan, set forth in 1858. The plan included converting the swamps into lakes and refining the already existing elements, including the rocky and jagged landscape. The idea was to have a final product that resembled the images of European public grounds with a countryside appearance. In regards to what would be included in the park, the Greensboro Plan included 4 transverse roads that would direct traffic underneath the park level. Only 4 buildings existed in the original plans for the park, and the bridges that were built were constructed from materials that would allow them to blend as naturally with the environment as possible. Construction began in 1858 and ended in 1873. The original cost was $14 million, which is equivalent to $200 million in today's market. The first part of the park was opened in the winter of 1858, and the last part of the park was finished in 1873. The majority of the 843 acres was divided as such: 136 acres of woodlands, 150 acres of water, and 250 acres of lawn space. Central Park was originally intended only for the wealthy because the park was too far to be within walking distance for most people, and the wealthy were the only people who could acquire transportation to the park. It offered open space, which translated into a sense of freedom. In addition to this, the park also served as a place for entertainment with such activities as concerts and Shakespeare in the Park, appreciation of nature, and outdoor living area. In the 20th and 21st century, Central Park is not just a park for the wealthy, it is also a park for the people. Great lawns are formed and playgrounds established that the needs of every person living and visiting the area were accommodated. Central Park relates to many of the ideas portrayed in the readings. The park relates to the Nearer to Eden article by J.B. Jackson because the park is an extension of the home for most New Yorkers. It is a source of intellectual stimulation and knowledge, as well as a place of leisure to rest the mind. In relating to Natural Place article, Central Park, the skyscrapers are similar to mountains which rise from the ground to the sky. They obstruct the views of the sky and distort it. The open area of the park enables one to see the sky visibly and clearly, and people are able to notice the separation between the earth and the sky. It is an ideal landscape in that there is water centrally located along the settlements surrounding it. Click it.